Look, my Daddy Motors Longford. Just like to show you our 221, the Yaris Cross. This is called the Adventure model. It's in bitone, black over pearl white, black mirrors, gunmetal alloys, side steps, electric windows, electric mirrors, centre locking, privacy glass in the back, bodywork in super condition, it's like new, front and rear park sensors. The car is taxed until July of this year, low tax bracket of $190 a year. Very spacious boot, protective mat supplied, reverse camera. So here in the back we have half leather interior, electric windows in the back, loads of legroom in the back of this car, cup holders in the door cards. And up front, as I say, we have half leather, semi-bucket seat, cup holders, centre armrest, pocket, automatic transmission, USB, touchscreen radio, reverse camera, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual climate control, auxiliary ports as well, multifunction steering wheel, a pre-collision alert, lane assist, cruise control, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, lumbar support in your driver's seat. These are just some of the extras as standard in this car. And this car is covered kilometres at 59,000 with full Toyota service history. So that's our 221 Yaris Cross. This is the Adventure model. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will gladly help you out. Thank you.